Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna try and change the leather on the gear knob of the Mazda MX-5 NC. I have already changed this leather, but I'm not quite satisfied with it. It's from an old wallet, so I bought some other more sturdy leather. It's this one. As you can see, it's high quality leather. And the only things you're gonna need for this are a marker, tiny scissors, a tiny screwdriver, and some bigger scissors. So let's get into it. First, you're gonna need to remove this leather. I did it because mine is like ripped, so it's quite old, and I tried it with this leather, but the texture is not as soft as the texture of the original one. But it worked out quite well, so I thought, okay, let's try it again, but with some other higher quality leather. It's gonna be trickier because the leather is thicker than this one, because the wallet was quite cheap. But I'm gonna try it anyway. So I have already cut one piece, and I'm gonna soak that in some water because it needs to be very flexible, at least as flexible as possible. And while it soaks, I'm gonna draw the outline of this one on the new sheet of leather, cut it out and let it soak as well. So okay, so I drew a line, and you need to cut the inside of the line, otherwise it's gonna be too big, and you want to be quite precise because it's gonna need to fit inside these tiny gaps. And yeah, you need to be precise because otherwise it's gonna be too much to fit in there. I'm gonna cut a rough outline of this piece, and after that I'm gonna be a little more precise. So I don't know if it's quite visible because the marker is black and the leather is also black, but you need just to make sure you cut the inside. Okay, that's that. Let it soak in here as well. And I'm gonna immediately start with this one. So here are some small cutouts, and you need to make sure you have them because otherwise it's not gonna fit around the small circle with the gears on it. Make sure you don't cut them too big as well. Just try to match the original. Make sure the leather is good wet and soaked, because it's gonna make it more flexible and also make it more shapeable, and when it's dry it will dry up in the shape you put it in. So let's see. As you can see, the leather is getting in there nice, but you need to make sure the small screwdriver doesn't make any markings on the plastic. That would be a shame. We're trying to restore this, not damage it. So okay, so that's the first part. You have the leather in there. Make sure you align this just right down the middle, like that, and repeat the process. So really get it in there. Okay, I think we're pretty much done here, so let's take it to the car. Alright, so here we are in the car and about to fit this one on here. Let's see how it does. Okay, I got nowhere to put the camera, so I'm gonna just mount it on here and take some video from when it's mounted. Hold up. Okay, so here we are again with the new leather on there. Damn, looks freaking fly to me. Okay, so last stage, I put some leather product on it, like a feeding product for the leather so it doesn't dry out. And after that, this is what it looks like. So I'm very happy with it. So that's it. That is what the finishing product looks like, the outcome. So it feels great, sturdy, and good as new. So alright, see you guys in the next video.